minus 23 spot 2, minus 23 spot 2, higher than forecast, minus 23 spot 5. And Swedish trade balance 1.5 billion at 1.5 billion.
Yo, let me just switch to TradingView. All right, let's have a look then at everything. The build-up sweep continuation. Build-up sweep made equal highs. And a massive drop down here. I feel like I want to see price come lower and then push up to the midline. And then potentially come up here to these highs. I want to see yen kind of bounce from here on M1 and push up. So I'm gonna go to gold on here and see if there's a way to catch anything on gold. I need to make the streams earlier if I'm waking up earlier, man. Oh yeah, let's set this side of the trade copier up. I think this is on gold. Yeah, it's on gold. Set that there. There's GU. Go on 2 minute. There's EU. I can stay on 2 minute. There's CHF. We can go down to 2 minute. JPY can drop down here. M2, and then gold we can keep on 5 minute time frame on gold. So I've added gold to the list. So you'll see how that goes. Right, everything pretty much loaded on everything. Tablets, all that stuff all done. They took this low here, and lower high, lower low, lower high, low high, high low, broke this high here. You got this entire channel, which is a bit annoying, otherwise I'd like to go long from here. So now we've broke structure there, or we could go along from here. And you could get away with the 4 pip SL, I suppose, but the issue becomes all of this. Let's look at silver. Ooh. Ooh. That's I swear we're near all-time highs again. Yeah, there you go, we're attempting all-time highs again. Second attempt. Or that was the first attempt.
Mr. Reeves says, I
And
do
here's
not
coming the
accept that
second
we are
attempt
raising
now.
taxes to fund welfare.
I'd like to see this push up and take it, to be honest. It should push up and take it. So I'm very intrigued by this. Yeah, that was the entry right there, basically. On if you wanted to do that, you could, but was there any invalidation? No. Break structure there. I mean, this would probably be the one that you want to take it from here. Yeah. That's probably the one you want to take it from. See, on yen it's a bit more tricky because a bit of a channel going on here, and you've had volume come straight through. Now it might drop down, but it did come and take out this low here, and then gave lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Then it broke structure here. It looks like it didn't want to come down for that. Now, the next place you could go would be 51. Yeah, sure, why not 51? 2.5. 3. On that, I would do a 2 pip SL and keep it tight, just because you've got this zone below it. Always tag that supply zone. And it's a channel. We've had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Let's see what happens here. Is it going to reject or is it going to continue? I'm not sure. But let's just delete that. Keep that one there. Go to pound. What's pound doing? What doing, pound? What doing? Should start seeing some sort of price action forming on the pound. Looks like euro is not happy. We can keep it how it is now, and then we can put some lows in there, and then we can put some in here as well. That's in New York session. That's a bit cleaner. And then from there we can do that there. Yeah. Let's see how this goes on M2. Gold still going up. Done a break. Test continuation right there. You can see it.
China Foreign Ministry once again urging Japan to reflect on and
Break.
correct it.
Test
wrongdoing.
continuation. Right around the midline, which is fine if I can't catch anything in there. Okay, so it's coming into this level now. That's tagged the supply zone quite clearly. It's tagged into it. I should have tagged it by now. Let's yeah. There you go. Let's do that. See what happens. I don't like the fact it tagged the supply zone right here. If it didn't tag the supply zone, I would be all over that. Yeah, see, the zone failed.
UK Chancellor Reeves says people realise UK public finances are under pressure.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on the subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
So that zone failed, which I'm not surprised. Let's look at gold, because I'm trying to look at a few different things, man. Still going. We've recovered 14%, but ultimately we dropped 36. Now we're at 27, so it's done a 36. About 9% move up. That's hardly anything. That's just a pullback. That's just a break, test, and a continuation to the low side. So I think Bitcoin still got more downside in it for sure. I think this stream's going to be interesting, man.
Japan's Chief Cabinet Secretary Kihara says it's not true Trump advised Takaichi to not provoke China.
Blah. Oh. I'm gonna sit on M2, I reckon. Oh wow, look. I just see that we're bouncing off of supply zones. I don't like the look of that. I like to see it break some direction, so I can see that price is shifting now. because the issue we've got is we're bouncing between supply and then between demand and then between supply and then between demand. So it's kind of stuck in the middle right now, which means I have to wait for some sort of clear direction in the market, which is fine. All you can do is just wait for that. You can't really force anything. Pound's holding up above the euro, isn't it? And gold is just still going away to the upside. No direction as of yet. Still continuing down, see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Have to be careful. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. You have to be careful with how you see market structure on M1 sometimes. What I can hope for is probably like the first half an hour of London Open to give a bit of volume, and hopefully I can catch something within that move and get a quick little TP, and then I'm done for the day, hopefully. 7:30 now. Let's see if there's anything. Normally I like catching an entry around 7:30, 7:45. Tends to be nice. Let's have a look. Tagging or about to, oh, that's classed as a tag. Don't know if I actually did because of the spreads and stuff, but let's see what happens on that zone. Okay, it's coming in deep. Coming in deep. Should fail because of this invalid zone. So I think we've made Frankfurt high now. Here on gbpchf and here on euro. Pound has probably made it there. Got a mark on my glasses, man. Damn it. I'm just going to send a quick email to the prop firm, find out what's going on with the name change because ain't nothing happened. There. So that's gone through. Let's go back to the charts now then. Okay, pound euro still falling, which is interesting. So we're coming down for this level quite possibly. Set that where we are now, 36.45 should be okay for that. I'm gonna sit down on M2, drop down on M2, go up onto M2, sorry, even. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, so we fell here even more, which is fine because it tagged off the supply. Made sense. We kind of expected that. Did we not? Yes, we did. On M5, I would say. Get rid of that as well. We got Asia midline coming in right here, so we got break retest happening now because you had resistance level there, then we broke it, now coming for the test. So let's see how price acts here. Oof. Anyway, yeah, let's see how price acts here. And the yen, that's the high of Frankfurt now. This is coming to the low. That's interesting. Let's zoom out M5. Forgot how that looked. Oh yes. Yes. But you did come take a New York low, but then we should have broke high instead of generating all of this and coming down. But I suppose price might want to come take internal lows to then push higher. It's quite possible. So yeah. Interested by this. Also, we're back at 207.2, man. Wow, we are so close from 208. There you go. That's all-time highs. Wow, that's beautiful. I think price is gonna want to come down into these levels and then push up from there. Let's have a look at gold. Still pushing up slowly, creeping slowly. If prices crap today, okay, no problem. But I think it's worth trading because so many times we've seen bank holiday and stuff like that and you can still get a move. So I'd rather sit on the charts and not catch a move, or sit on the charts and be swerved, than just not even be on the charts thinking nothing's gonna happen and something does. I want to maximize every opportunity, not miss every opportunity. I'm really tempted to buy the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. Because if I'm not gonna end up getting more prop firm challenges because the idiots aren't there to give anything, then I'm tempted.
Fitch Ratings say China's local governments to have increased funding for new investments in the fourth quarter of 2025.
They replied to the email. Let's see what they say. Everything is slowly creeping downwards. Gold probably going up. It's kind of. That's low volume range right now. London open in 12 minutes. Why Why didn't they send me a notification, man? Notifications. I don't know why it didn't send the notification then. Those settings, notifications, allow. Why did not allow notifications before? Okay, setting problem there, no problem, no problem.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Really horrendous customer service, man. Wow.
You motherfucker, you!
Seeing build up here right now. I want to see. I would prefer London Open comes down, takes all these lows out, or London Open comes and mitigates one of these levels. So, for example, if you get lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, and then we break structure, and then we don't touch new value zone. I just want to see London Open drop down into the demand zone, mitigate it, and fly off from there. As I'd like to see. We got 8 minutes till London Open, so it could happen. Or it could just turn around and say, you know what, I'm going to take out this low. Because it's sat right at Asia low. So there's always that suspicion right there. Because look, you got 1, 2, 3 relatively equal lows right here, I suppose. So price model just come down, take that level out fully. So yeah, we'll just see what London Open does on the minute. See if I can kind of catch some direction off of there. Luckily, I've got a few more days on the 50k funded account to get the payout because they've extended this payout cycle. Thank God. This gives me a few more days to try and catch something. Yen's coming down. CHF is going up. Interesting. CHF is a lot weaker than Yen today. Music's a bit loud, isn't it? That's better. Ugh. This is looking all right now. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Now, if it comes down a bit more, there you go. Come down, tag that zone. Now I want to see it break structure again. But then we got all this here. This is gonna be a bit sticky. Gonna be a bit sticky. Lovely reaction off of there though. Look at that. Beautiful reaction off of there. I love that. That's brilliant. Now this is 2 minutes before London Open, so this is still very valid. Okay, so we broke structure there as well. Beautiful. Oh, damn me, I should have taken that trade. Oops, made a mistake there. Made a mistake, just drawing it out, lower, high, low, low, lower, high, low, low, lower, high, higher, low, broke structure there, then tag that zone. Oh, damn. Bloody hell, what have I done here, man? I made the mistake. I made the mistake. Yeah, I should have taken that. Yep, that was my mistake. It would have been up as well about how much? 2 would have been quick break even. We're at London Open right now, so let's see what happens anyway. If I took it, what's gonna happen? Look here, look. Ooh. I would have been break even. Looks like it might have been tagged. That would have probably been tagged from spreads and stuff. So interesting. That is very interesting. If I see a break structure now and go bullish, I might be able to get better. I'll be able to get something cleaner possibly. Look at that. Let's look at yen. I would have took it from there. If I took it from there, I would have been break even straight away. And then tagged and then price flew off. I'm just looking at what's price doing now. I hope that's a breaker structure. Whoa, price flew into that level. Wow. I wasn't ready for it to move that fast. Flipping hell. Yeah, now if you break this level, that's for me confirmation to go long. Okay, look at that. Price come to that level out. Obviously, you got a bit of a channel going on here right now. You can see it there and there. Everything's telling me to go long on this. Just need clean zone, that's all. Okay, pound's falling, dollars, that must be dollar strength coming in. Euro and pound both falling. So now London Open has in the few minutes it's coming down for Frankfurt low. That's interesting. That's interesting. So if I had taken that, would have been a break even. I might have been cheeky enough to bank profits. It depends. I don't know. I don't think I would have with the way I trade, because I've followed prop firm rules. I don't want to scalp like 1 minute, 2 minute trades. I want it to be at least 5, 6, 7 in miss before I take a partial. So that way the prop firm can't say anything that, oh, you know, you've done this rule, that rule, whatever. Because they all have these stupid rules, don't they? So yeah. So thank God for that. Patience is king. I love how we bounced off of that trend line again though. That's interesting. I want to see price come down, take out this low into the middle of Asia midline. They've taken Frankfurt low. Or they could even respect Frankfurt low, but I would like to see it take Frankfurt low cleaner. Obviously, if M1 tells me to take a trade, I'll take it, but I prefer it takes Frankfurt low on CHF. Price action's a bit better. I'm kind of able to decipher it today. Can we get a look at gold really quick? Gold, so took that level, break, retest, continuation, consolidation, London Open push up a tiny bit. Not too much is happening right now. Oh yeah, I got the email from the prop firm. What did they say? Why is it not? Oh shoot, I turned the music off. My bad. Why is it not sending the notifications? Man, they should be sending it. Yeah, allowed to send it, flipping. So why is it? Didn't get why it's not. I have to search push notifications on this. Push notification, nothing in the search settings for that. What about push? Yeah, use it for push. This browser is 50-50, I swear to God. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's just not. Yo guys, oh hello. Oh, you came. Welcome. Hi guys. Welcome. Nah, I'm just waiting. There's a couple of problems.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome boys, welcome Karibu Undugu. Welcome Amal. There was a trade on GU right here somewhere. I actually managed to miss it somehow because I didn't realize it gave me the break, pull back and then break again. But it would have had break even, gave reaction and dropped down anyway, so I suppose it wouldn't have made any difference. It did give me 2R in 1 or 2 minutes, but the reason I didn't, even if I did take it, I don't like taking partials within 5-6 minutes just in case a prop firm says you're tick scalping or anything like that. Like just to, you know, I don't want to get caught in anything stupid rule wise anyway. Got another message here. So I was emailing Effexify just now. What problems? No, just like because there's so many rules for prop firms, bro. With quant tech, or I wouldn't be surprised if they have rules saying you can't take profits within 5 minutes or something stupid. They have rules, bro. Like I don't know. I told you before, I can't keep up with all the rules. So like I just get suspicious, like, oh, if a trade gave profits in 3 minutes, I won't take it. I'll wait till after 5 minutes. Like obviously I don't get partials after 5 minutes, and it's normally about 15 to 30 minutes I get partials, yeah, but just in case I wouldn't take it. I wouldn't, just in case. Oh man. So yeah, so we've come here, we've respected Frankfurt low, we've come here, we've taken Frankfurt low. Pound euro, pound's a bit weaker than euro. So I was just emailing Effexify because I need to get to sort my account out so I can freaking get that 200k with them, but they're taking ages, man. And the deal ends on the 29th. So if I can't get them to fix the account for the 200k, I won't go with them. I'll just start buying my computer parts. I'll just use the Black Friday deals and start buying my computer stuff. I'm not going to keep waiting for them, man. Forget that. I'm not going to keep bloody sitting and waiting and stuff like that. So I'll probably do it tomorrow. Tomorrow on stream, if they don't fix it, then I'll probably just start ordering some computer stuff on live stream. click buy, all the computer parts. So yeah, that's about it. What are you guys doing anyway? You guys looking at anything? Mangi, you looking at anything? Amal, you looking at anything? Yeah, gold is still slowly pushing up. What about Bitcoin? Yeah. So I've got a theory here on Bitcoin, yeah? I'm just gonna share it with you guys. I don't know if you... I know Amal trades Bitcoin, but I know Mangi probably doesn't. So obviously we had this key... let me go on the weekly. I don't know if it's gonna show on the weekly. Yeah, it does. Perfect. So on the weekly chart, yeah? We can see this was a key area that some old buys. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yen buys? Was it yen buys or something different? So you had obviously this level here, break, test, gold. Okay, yeah. Got ya. Tagged here, flew off from there. So this is the key area. I think this is a break, retest, and then another leg down. Because you think about it, bro, yeah? On the weekly chart, we fell off really hard on the weekly, bro. 1, 2, 3. 1 month we've been falling hard, yeah? And then before the fall, if you had 2 bearish weeks, 1 okay week, then 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish weeks. Forgot the daily. Oh. We fell hard here, had 1-2 days recovery. Fell hard here. Had 1, 2, 3, fell again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 good week, then we fell. Then 2, 3 days, then we fell. Then 5 days, then we fell. So don't be surprised this is another 4, 5 days again.
3:30 a.m. Eastern
We
time.
tag this level and then we just fall. Let me just
Smartmoney.
draw that back. Don't be surprised this is just like another few days up. We've tagged this zone and then we start to fall again. That's what I'm thinking. So I think you got another leg to the downside on Bitcoin because of this key area right here. As I said, we broke it. We're coming for the retest and we're going to drop down. This could be a fake out. The reason I don't think it is a fake out, and I'll explain why I don't think it is. We've been outside of this zone by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Is that right? Is that 7 days? Let me go to 8 days. We've held below that level. 8 days. So I got a feeling that's not a fake out. Fake outs are normally like that. It's a really good fake out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, straight back in. Yeah, true. Yeah, that could be fake out as well. But that was all-time highs, so that's a completely different scenario when you're at all-time highs. If you have all-time highs, then yeah, it would need to do an aggressive pullback. Doesn't need. It's not gold, so I suppose it has to do one. Gold wouldn't have to. Gold doesn't have to do pullback. We know that. We learned that already, yeah. So I think that this here is not a fake out. I think it's a break test and another leg to the downside. That's what I think. I might be wrong, but I'm confident in that. Just because we've had this harsh sell-off here, this entire sell-off, we've had to get price to kind of come back and just level out before it drops again. Drop, come back, drop, come back, drop, come back, drop, come back. We dropped hard here, so we need to get a bit of a comeback before it drops again. So making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We need to print a lower high. So this is our print of a lower high to now continue and make a lower low. That's what I'm guessing. And you got this key area right here, which obviously I love my key areas, especially on weekly, daily, on stuff like Bitcoin and gold and silver. They work really well on the 4-hour daily chart, yeah. So that's my thoughts. If we had dropped down, taken out this low, which then is a 40% drop, and then we've seen bullish price action, I could say, okay, let's see if we're now gonna make lower high, higher low, and then start pushing higher. But we didn't take that low yet, which is why I'm wondering this could just be another move to the downside. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking on Bitcoin. So you're still on gold, yeah? Where did you get in on gold, Mwangi? Are you holding it from yesterday? Or is that a swing trade you had from a long ago, Mwangi? I need to go back to Euro, man. M2. What we're doing, still pushing down. What's going on with this? We come for Asia midline. No move yet. So the plan on CHF, yeah, is we took this low, had a lovely reaction there. We've got that high up here from before. I'm just gonna, one second. Is that quarter past? Yes, go there. I don't know why that's all the way over here. I can go there back to there. Okay, so on GBP CHF, the idea to go long was because you took this low, we got this high here, we got this channel here, which is basically trend line. One touch there, 2 touch there, got class as a touch, 4th touch, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So I expected price to come, got in from 50. What do you mean 50? What price did you get in at? Was it that 41.50, yeah? From yesterday? I think it's 41.50, wasn't it? So I'd like to see price come push up from here, target this channel, and then hopefully target that high, which is what I like and what I thought on GC. GJ, very similar thing. We come talk
At
New York
3:30
low.
a.m. Eastern
We
Time,
got
we
the
expect
whole of
comments from
Asia,
ECB
1 touch,
simple
2
only.
touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. Today, did it go down to? Oh yeah. Literally, I was saying it in my stream earlier on. Resistance level. Damn it! Why can't I never draw a straight line? Resistance level. And then we kind of broke it here, retested it here, and then we kind of went up. So yeah, that was a nice entry right there on the midline again. So if you took it from 50, it would have been probably, oh wow, you'd have took that ages ago. Oh wow, okay, yeah. But you're probably awake early anyway because you're in Kenya, so obviously it's probably like 5 a.m. probably like 6 a.m. probably like 7, 8 a.m. for you guys, 8, 9 a.m. So I suppose it makes sense you guys are gonna be awake at that time, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at yen. Oh, shut up! Don't say I missed. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. I think we're okay because prices kind of flew off and not really come back. And it's just come into this zone of London high, so I don't want to trade that anyway. I need price to come up, take that level out, and then create a demand zone for me to go long. Euro USD, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, internal higher, lower high, internal higher low. Broke structure there. 1 minute tag straight back into there. Couldn't have taken that entry. Last tag the supply zone, can't take that either. Okay, it's coming. I wouldn't mind if it like comes into, let me go on M2. Has M2 got a clean little demand zone? And just say that, I suppose. I wouldn't mind if GJ come tag this, then broke London high. Or just makes a low there and then just pushes up, breaks the high. Either I don't really mind. But I need this to fail. Then I can look at longs. Because we're right near all-time highs on GJ. So I think it is going to take it. Mwangi, Amal, did you buy anything for Black Friday or not? Like, did you buy anything like not trade copy, like any software or service or anything? Aside from prop firms. Sit on CHF because now we've taken the midline, so we've got lower high, lower low, lower high. Not yet for me. Are you planning on buying anything or not, or are you just not really bothered about whatever's going on, or do you not need anything? Basically is probably a better way to say it. I wanted to get a 200k proper can. If I can't get that, I'm gonna start buying my computer stuff tomorrow on live stream. I'll probably just, hopefully Francis is there, because I might need Francis's help or a device or opinion on some stuff. And Amal, what about you? Don't know if Amal's here or not, unless he's here or something. Okay, spec that zone. What's it gonna do now? Also, you know the 50k funded account, they gave me 5 more days to meet the 0.5% rule. Thank God. That's actually helped out a lot. On Teckle, yeah, they've done 5 more days in it because of the all the bank holidays and stuff like that. Maybe get a prop or wait next year. Oh, so you're not really looking at getting anything now then, really? What about you, Amal? Did you get anything for Black Friday or not? Don't say accounts, please. I hope not. I hope not. You would be good with a trade journal. Oi, oi, chappal marunga. Did you buy another prop challenge? Did you buy another prop challenge? Brother. He bought a challenge, didn't he? Oh my god. Go on, tell us then. Who did you go with? I hope you haven't funded next. They're good, man. Funded next is good.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time.
5 is again, but you're with them already.
/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
But do you already have an account with them? You should have gone to funded next, bro. Or funding pips or FTMO with the Black Friday 20% discount. FTMO would have been the best call. Honestly, that would have been the best call is FTMO. Bro, 20% discount from them is like, yo, unheard of. Only reason I'm not getting a account is because I've already got 100k with them, so I don't need to get another account with them. You can't have 2 accounts of same size. What do you mean you can't have 2 accounts of same size? But FTMO's got 20% discounts on all accounts. Yeah, but what, really? Why? I don't know if FTM is banned in India. Parjeets everywhere. Parjeets everywhere, causing problem. Damn Parjeets. So now this becomes the new zone that we need to break. This can come down to here. 03, 05, yes, fine, get rid of that. Let's drag that down. Let's go on pound. What's pound doing? This is why M2 is really good. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Broke structure there. But we just, I don't like the look of this at all. I don't like the look of this at all. That could be easily M2 supply zone. Tagged M2 supply zone could continue to go down. Usual issues as always. Nothing new for me there. Okay, Euro is looking all right. Look at Euro. We've taken Frankfurt high. Okay. This is not looking so bad actually. But I could be cheeky on this and take like a 1.6 pip SL. I don't know if I'll hit my limit though, innit, on the lot size limit on some of these accounts, because 1.6 pip SL is tight. I will probably just, yeah, that's better. That's better. I'd rather do that. It puts it in the limit then. But was it? Oh shit! It was tagged. Anyway. Oh no. Oh no. Has that already gone? Has that already gone? Yeah. So you could have gone to funded next, funding pips, ACG. Yeah, you could have gone to them instead. The point is, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, innit? That's the point. That's the point I was trying to make. You should have gone to funded pips instead of going to the same company. That's why I'm with so many different firms, innit? ACG, Contacol, FTMO, Funded Next, and Aquafund. That's 5 different companies, and I want to go to FXify and FX2 Funding. That's 7 companies, bro. So if one of them goes bust, it doesn't matter. I've got 6 left. If 2 of them go bust, it doesn't matter. I've got 5 left. And any company can go bust, bro. No one thought my Forex futures or my Forex, what's it called, MFF, whatever, no one thought they were going to go bust because they're paying out so many people, and then boom, it happened. I don't like the look of this now. I can't take it after that's already happened, innit? I want it to fail now. Please fail. Please fail. Really, Pips is good. What the Pips is good, yeah. Go to them. Did you get Charlie? Yeah, I did, yeah. Okay, look, perfect. It's failed. Oh, thank gosh. Did it fail? It looked like it did. I don't know. Yes, failure. Haha. I'm happy now. I'm happy. Look, I'll show you in it on here, TradingView. They're on copier, yeah. So ACG there, ACG there, ACG there. I bought the 200k account long ago. I got the 5k account for free, and they do 10k account for $40. So I thought, you know what, it's $40, why not? I don't mind. I got Aqua Funded here, a 5k account for $10. I think it's $10 for a 5k account. They had the offer on. It was like £7 or something, like £7 or something, so cheap. FTMO obviously I bought recently. Quantecal 10k I got for free. Quantecal 5k, which I blew, the consistency one I got for free. The 200k account I paid for, and the 50k account I got for free. So do you see a pattern? I'm not really spending loads of money with one firm. I'm just going to loads of different ones. I'm just going to different firms, and then obviously on my phone I've got Funded Next, which I paid full whack. I didn't get any discount on Funded Next, but I paid the full money. Like, that's annoying. Now I'm like, yo, they got 20% discount. Yo, I could have saved myself like freaking $100 on that challenge, man. I paid like $550. It's expensive. My friend said, why didn't you go to FTMO? I was like, you know what? You're right. You know, I should have. But obviously, it doesn't matter because Funde Next still paid me out. So I've had no problems with them. I'm vouching for them quite a lot. What prop should I pick for 5k account? Go to ACG. They have a code 10440. Yeah, so 10k account for $40. That's a good deal, bro. That's a good deal for $40. It's a really good deal, man. No one else does that good of a deal at the moment for a smaller account. You could go to FTMO because you got 20% discount at the moment for Black Friday, but if you're gonna do it now. On FTMO, do it now. Funding Pips Pro, do you know about that? Pips Pro, I don't know. I looked at Funding Pips, I messaged him in the Discord, I spoke to him and stuff like that, but they don't allow trade copies, so I didn't really bother. Because it doesn't really make no difference to me. I need a trade copier. They said you can only use their account as a master. Because you can't use your own accounts or a different prop firm or your own personal as a master, which was annoying, innit? Because I trade on, obviously you guys know my IC Markets is my master, innit? So yeah, it's a bit annoying, man. It's a bit annoying. But I would, Mangi, I would pick the 10k for 40. That's a really good deal. From FTO, no. The 10 for 40 is from Alpha Capital Group, ACG, or go to FTMO, get the 10, the smallest account they do with 20% discount. I will go to FTMO first. Because they never have discount, so this is unheard of for FTMO to have a discount. Alpha Capital Group always does a discount 10k account for $40 all the time, and the code is 10440. So you can always use that code. So if you want, I would get, like, for Black Friday, if you got the money, just go to FTMO there, get a 10k account. If they do 5k, get 5k. They just got 20% discount, so use the 20% discount code is all I'm trying to say. If they have a 5k account, then get that because you've never traded a prop firm before. That'd be good for you. Personal's good, to be fair, man. Personal's really good. Oh, look at that, the zone failed and it couldn't tag this demand zone instead. I'm just gonna keep waiting. You know, so in you know how oh, my account's still here. I'm not even on TradingView, my bad. TradingView there. So you know how, okay, how do you guys view prop firms? Like, do you think they're good? Do you think they're bad? Do you think they make you a better trader? Do you think they make you a worse trader? Like, what's your What's your guys' opinions? Okay, we've taken that low now. Beautiful. On the minute, I don't even need to move my the time. Actually, I can just stick it down here. Personally, I think prop firms are good because if you can't follow the rules, you can't be profitable. And you're only blowing a demo account. If you put your own money in your personal account and you blow it, that's your own money in the toilet. So prop firms are kind of the way to, like, if you can't make money on prop firms, don't trade personal, because you have to learn discipline, follow the rules, don't over risk, don't blow your account, don't do all these things. It's really good for you to develop as a trader. I've seen a lot of people who trade personal accounts go into prop firm and they can't trade prop firms because they have a very open, willy-nilly trading approach, and then when they just can't pass challenges because it's too restrictive for them. At the same time, I've seen prop firm traders who can't go personal, but their reason is because they're over risk and they blow their own account. Whereas on a challenge, they'll blow it, get another one, pass it, get a payout, get another one, blow it, get another account, pass it, get a payout, and they don't mind. But when it's your own money, you can't do that approach because it's a very stupid, aggressive approach. But the point I was gonna, or try to make was, okay, what's going on here then? Prop firm match. I don't know which one I use. I come across a YouTube who talked about a website that tells you about the prop firms and stuff. Yeah, bro, you look at the rules for Quantecal did the worst out of all the prop firms. You have to make 0.5% this day, 0.5% that day, minimum trading days, same lot size, all this stuff. But it's not that good, you know. When you look at all the prop firm rules, there's a lot of prop firms starting to do 0.5% now, man. I seen one prop firm, they said in a 14-day cycle, you have to do 3 days of 0.5%. 3 days? In these market conditions, are you mad? 3 days? Okay, I'd like to see respect now. So, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, tag the supply zone. Can't take that yet. Need that to fail, then we go long. Five is told that, what? 0.5% in 3 days? Actually, that's not bad for evaluation because you've got no time limit. So that's okay. I'm talking when you're funded. So you have to do 0.5% in the 14 days, basically 10 trading days. How in 10 trading days are you gonna somehow find 5 setups, yeah,
at 4 a.m. Eastern
for you to
time,
win
the
3
Eurozone
of
money
them
comes
to
through
make at
annual
least
growth.
0.5%?
Forecast 2.8%.
That's not easy, you know, in 10 trading days. That's hard.
88.2 on the prior 88.3. Eurozone loans to non-financial firms prior 2.9%, loans to households prior 2.6%.
You see what I'm saying, man?
Italian consumer confidence forecast 97.6 on the prior 97.6.
In evaluation is fine because you've got no time limit. Like, it's okay if it takes you 1 month, 2 months or whatever for phase 1, phase 2 doesn't matter, it's fine. But if they said you have to do 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 3 days in 10 days a cycle, that's not easy. You need like clean price action, bro. And we've not had clean price action. We've had very choppy market conditions. I dislike prop firms that make you trade more, bro. If they don't let you trade how you want to trade, that for me is a red flag. So what are we doing? We're still kind of chopping on euro, pound, euro USD. No clear direction on that yet. Odds are that might go to 4 o'clock. And that's definitely not going to there. That's going to go to Friday. That's going to go to 4 p.m. on Friday. All these zones are definitely not doing anything. So they can go over to Tuesday. New York session. These should fail. Because they're trending downwards, I'm like, oh, actually, I'm not so sure. Which is why they're kind of like here, in the middle of no man's land. I like oil. This is random. I like oil. Oil is my friend. So random. So random. I like oil. Oil is a good asset, to be fair, to trade. That's gonna go Friday. GBPCHF. What's happened here? Okay, so let's go here. Even this is a bloody channel too. It's just a
4 a.m. Eastern
couple
Time,
days
we
and
get
keep
Eurozone Money
dropping.
M3 annual growth forecast 2.8% on the prior 2.8%. Eurozone loans to non-financial firms prior 2.9%, loans to households prior 2.6%, Eurozone consumer confidence prior -14.2%, Italian manufacturing business confidence
glad that held.
forecast 88.2 on the prior 88.3, Italian consumer confidence forecast 97.6 on the prior 97.6.
We might get a lovely entry here. We might get a flipping lovely entry here. How big is the SL? 3. I'm gonna do 3.5. So if it's 2.2, I'll do 3.5. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. This looks like it might be a lovely trade. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't you flip in. Bruh. 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 I'm face palming right now so hard. Why couldn't it hold that candle and just literally give me a minute? Just 60 seconds, bro. And then look, break even in 1 minute. And the volume's coming in. And it's gonna probably fly through all of this level here now. Possibly. Or at least to this supply zone and give like 3 or 4 or because of a 3.5 pip SL on the yen. Yeah, there you go. Just look at that. Typical, isn't it, boys? Absolutely typical. Absolutely typical, man. I literally could not have taken that trade no matter how fast I am as a human, bro. It's not possible. Yeah, man. Yeah, come hit SL now. Go on. Do it. Yeah, there you go. Take the zone out now. Take the zone out. I'd be happy if the zone fails now. On CHF, odds are we're not going to do any of these until New York. That's probably going all the way over to the next day because how many pips is this? Yeah, I would say so, yeah. Oh God, what's this guy doing over here? He's going to be well out of the way. Oh, it did fail. Thank you. Thank you. So happy from that.
Just under a minute remaining, I'll lead with Eurozone Money M3 annual growth.
About gold. Gold's really pushing up as well still.
10 seconds.
Look at this now. Please fail, man. Please, I want this to fail. I want this to fail. Brother, please say
2.8%, 2.8% as expected. Eurozone loans to non-financial firms, 2.9%, 2.9%. Loans to households, 2.8%, 2.8%.
as Eurozone 9 o'clock news. Yeah, makes sense. Eurozone 9 o'clock. Eurozone money annual growth 2.8 coming out as forecasted. That's interesting. The only thing I could do now is if it breaks structure to the upside without doing an invalidation, I can try and hop back in again. But as I said, I don't like doing that. I like taking just the one entry and that's it, done. I don't like chasing price because there's a fine line between chasing and having a valid zone and a valid entry. And then there's also a fine line between, on M1, the right entry versus the wrong entry, because the wrong could be a reversal. Or the wrong could be one that you might get wicked out for it to continue up. Example, price comes up, break structure here, and then you think, oh, there's a new demand zone right here above this one, for example. Yeah, price might want to come down, take that level out and take this level out, and then continue to go higher. So it's hard to differentiate which zones could that happen from. The only way I look at it is imbalances and like price, the delivery of price. How is it being delivered? Again, lovely volume there. So that zone looks valid enough. Oh yeah, failed. Thank God. Oh, I feel happier now. But looking back at it now, actually build up, expansion outwards, and now we're going lower maybe? Yeah, actually, yeah, I can see that, I can see that. I don't think that's gonna happen. We're gonna take that zone soon. Pound still going down. We're seeing pound weakness now, aren't we?
Japan Minister of Finance has another primary dealer meeting to be on December 12th.
I'll tell you in a minute. Let me just look at this right now because I've got a feeling that yeah, tag the supply zone. Look at that. That was technically a breaker structure, and then it tagged the supply zone and then dropped. Yeah, that was close, you know. That was close. Yeah. I see that. And then you've got that supply zone there. Now we come to this demand zone. Oh, price is choppy, bro. So choppy. Obviously, it's expected in it, but sometimes like you can still get a really good move. So I thought I'll check anyway. I think so. Obviously, it's funny because I got some money back from a prop firm because it closed down. I used a chargeback, so I'm trying to remember how much money I got on the chargeback and how much I put into accounts. Are we including the ones where when I first started trading and I bought one account when I didn't know what I was doing as well? Or are we talking about when I started studying trading and started taking it seriously when I started in April 2024, like when I took it seriously? Yeah, not like, oh, I've never done trading before, let's buy prop firm and then bang. All time. Let me get the calculator up. I need to add things up. 1 second. Yeah, flip it. All right, man. It's about 350 plus about 400 plus about 500. I think I've spent about, oh no, wait, plus the wait, so plus the funded next, yeah, funded next, yeah. I think this is hard to answer, bro. Nah, bro, nothing new. Just looking for trading stuff, but nothing's really happening. Euro started moving now. Pound still slowly falling down the toilet. Not sure what's going on with the band. Other than that, not really. We're just talking about how much money I put into prop firms right now. So that's the discussion we have right now. Is how much did I spend on like challenges? Let me go M15 on here really quick. No. So the next potential zone is here. Yeah, I know, but you want approximate number in it, bro. It's hard to answer, man. Because I have to work out where to spend the money and stuff like that. I think about £2,500. I think. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I've already made my money back, I think. Actually no, how much have I had in payouts? My Revolut account is saying I've got 1,100. Wait, how much have I got on my account? Because I made a separate bank account just for trading in it. So it's like all the trading money's in that account in it. So I can separate everything and just have like my trading account. So in this account, I've got 1,080. So that's what I've made in trading. Bear in mind that's pounds. So obviously in dollars, it's probably like $2,000 after the profit split and stuff like that. Or before the profit split. After the profit split, it's probably like, yeah, about $1,600, which somehow works out to about £1,000, $1,400 ish. Now, dollars pushing up. Look at that, look at that. Oi, oi, oi. See, people say you can't trade bank holidays and stuff like that. That's absolute bollocks. Of course you can. Very naive statement. Oh God, how far is this? I mean, that's a big fall actually. It's a 30 pip fall. I mean, I don't know if that's gonna actually happen, to be honest. So yeah, about 2,500 I put in, but remember I used the payout from funded next to buy another account, so it's actually about it's roughly around 1,400 1,500. Yeah, about 1,450 1,500 so far is what I've had in returns. Bear in mind, I've got obviously $2,000 sat in the 50k. That's $1,600 after you do 20% profit split. $1,600 I think in pounds is about 1,200. This is wise. I think it is around about 1,200, I think. Pound turns into USD. So it was 1620. Yeah, $1,220. So then that would be $2,700 pounds that I've had from trading. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want that. I just want it private. But I think they ask you anyway. They're gonna obviously ask, you know, is it okay? Most traders are gonna be like, yeah, bro, I want attention. I want to be in front of the limelight. I'm gonna say, nah, bro, I'm low key. I'm like a ninja. I'm just like, ooh, quiet. Oh God, it fell down the second level as well. This is Thanksgiving DXY run. This is Thanksgiving bullish on the DXY. Yeah. So if you look at this on GJ, there was still no way to get into the shorts. If you wanted to go long here, that was the only way to get in shorts. I don't know if you would have got tagged because the spreads. I don't know if you would have got tagged. I really don't. But you can see it here, build up, sweep, I suppose. But I really thought it was going to be a build up and then an expansion outwards. I really thought it was going to do that and then target this, but no, it didn't. That's fine. You can't be right every single day, bro. Come in for TS lows. Come in for the lows. Yeah. It is. I like oil. I like oil. I like oil. But recently, I don't know in your guys' opinions, but I think the markets have been horrendous, man. The last 2-3 months, they've been really bad. Worse than usual. Okay, so now you've taken that low on euro. There's a supply zone there. What are you gonna do, euro? Are you gonna turn around and now reverse, or are you gonna run around and do a backflip? I want you to give me bullish price action, because now we filled this fair value gap, or whatever you call it, that imbalance, whatever. Very shitty, bro. Very, very shitty. Everyone, I'd love to get Miko's opinion on this, but he's not streaming, is he? But I think even in his perspective, it might be quite bad, because I know like other people like James and stuff like that, they all said it's been quite chippy choppy and stuff. I was like, bro, same on M1. This week's been the worst. Like, you see me struggle this week a lot to read price, and normally I'm quite good at reading M1 price action, yeah, but I've been really struggling and I've been wrong more than usual. So it's been difficult, man. But thank God my psychology is good enough to like weather that sort of like issue in, if that makes sense, because I know a lot of people been getting destroyed psychologically because they can't handle the market that we're in, including one of my friends. Unfortunately, he's been getting had a lot. Who was Trader Nick? What do you mean who was Trader Nick? I don't understand the question. But yeah, Mangi, this week's been bad. I've been doing scalps. You'd have to look for some type of scalp somewhere, innit, I suppose, because the price action's been so bad. So bad. Oh yeah, he lost 65k. Yeah, but that's not a lot for him, because his account's like 1 mil, and he's got other accounts as well. So to him, 65k isn't a lot. I like oil. I like oil. I like oil. Hello, brother. I like oil. This is the last zone. All those prices are gonna fall all the way through. If there's no reversal here, bro, price is just gonna keep going. There's no other like resistance in the way or anything. It's just got clean zone all the way through. Like, I'm out of gold. I react to the gold trade. Yeah. Where was is this? Yeah, still locked down. Perfect. Oh shh. Yo, what the hell? Yo. Wangi, that's what the hell happened here? Let's look at silver. Okay, is there news going on? No. No, nothing. Interesting. That's a move right there, bro. Yeah, look at gold fall, man. Silver's coming down, gold's coming down. DXY is just wee. That's crazy, bro. I can't lie, I want to go long. Because you've got that fall down there, 170 pip. I really want to go long on gold. I need to see M1 price action. If I can see M1 start to give confirmation for longs, I'm willing to take that. I'm literally willing to take that. Do you understand? Do you understand Indian accent? That's an Asian accent. Yeah, I do, but like, you know, the guy from the last time you got the pair, the Indian guy. His accent was so strong. His accent was too desi, bro. It sounded like he just come from the plane in UK and they put him in the contact office. And he's like, brother, my English not good, but I do my best for you, sir. He's like that. I learn English on plane flying in sky. I learn English plane flying. Hello ABCD. I little. I little. Oh god. But it's really strong. Oh man. Me too, or that Asia in New York low to be tug. What that get? That get. You know the word "tot" is a word in our language. Tot. I'm crying.
Fui yo.
Mangi, you're an idiot. Okay. Target golden. Yeah. I'm just waiting for gold to give confirmation for longs, and I'm happy to go there. Go into there after. We're just making lower highs and lower lows, man. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're just trending downwards. But we're just generating more like liquidity. I hate the word liquidity. Liquidity there for price to move upwards. Brother, focus on psychology. Psychology. Thribibib is what I say when I can't speak English. Thribibib. And the wobble. You guys won't know because it's from the British TV showing it. A wobble. Oh god. I was waiting for any kind of reversal on gold because it might not even go to Asia low, so I'm just waiting for literally anything on it. Did a big fall though, innit, man? I can't believe that fall is a big one. It just like pew straight down. I'm so hungry, so hungry. I'm tempted to just stick, yeah, like 4 lots on gold, not on gold, on Euro USD, on that 50k account, just to make 0.5%. But obviously you can't, and it's a bad idea. Bad idea. Conteco spreads right now are really bad. But yeah, what we're talking about, yeah, Nick lost 60 grand, but that's nothing for him. Because as I said, his account's like 1 million, so it's not really a problem. Hello. Hi. I was reading a DM in it. I'm waiting for gold to give me confirmation to go long after that lovely fall off right there. Right now, obviously, we've had lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. I want to see respect this zone, but just tag this supply zone here. So I want to see price come tag that. Oh God, I won't get an entry. I'm not going to get an entry on gold. Because gold, it's not, when it goes, it goes. So I got a feeling it's going to go. And I won't be able to go with it. So it'll be very unfortunate. Unfortunately for the unfortunates. Also, welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. How your trades, bro? The market's been absolutely horrendous, bro. Legit, it's been so bad. Like, it's been so bad. Like, you know, I keep talking about psychology, yeah, but even me, I've been a bit like, I feel myself starting to become angry. That's how bad it's been. Bro, it's the range on the low time frame is really bad. Like, you know, price normally moves in London Open. It normally moves in New York session between like 2 and 4 o'clock. It's not doing anything within that time session, or it just goes in one direction, no pullback, no entry, nothing, yeah? But more than likely it's going to be crappy and choppy. And then at 11, 12 o'clock it starts moving mad, which is, I don't know why. Then New York session opens, nothing really occurs. And then 5, 6 p.m. in the evening, where everyone's ready to go sleep and stuff like that, it's like, we want to go for a marathon. It's been really bad. Really bad. So bad. I wanted to go long here on GJ. Price broke, tagged straight back in. Then it come broke structure here, tagged supply zone, fell off from there. I was like, oh look, after it fell off from here, I realized that right there. So yeah, and then we've seen gold have this massive move down here on the M15, or M5 might be better. We've seen that massive fall off there. So I'm thinking I want to get long now after that big fall off. It is D who's changed his name. And I'm trying to get into some longs if I can. If I can. If I can't, I can't. If I can, I can. I shall. I will. I must. So yeah, just trying to just see what happens with this. Yen 9, okay, around 9:30 right now. Nothing's still happening. So look, I'll show you London session, yeah. So Frankfurt started here, really crappy price action, just slowly dripping downwards. London Open come, fell, and I'm looking for buys. I'm not looking for shorts really, but if I did change my bias and look for shorts, I could have shorted it. Actually, the problem is you got demand zones coming out of places everywhere, and then go on M1. So you got a supply zone here, could have shorted it from there. Got a supply zone here, could have shorted it from there. But no, I was like, price is gonna go bullish. I'm gonna have to wait for price to go bullish. I was wrong today. I've been wrong this week more than I have in the last 6 months, bro. Honestly, I've been wrong more in this last week than I have in the last 6 months. It's been crazy. So bad. I'm just long USD, CHF and USD JPOT with the pair still waiting to see. Yeah. So yeah, don't know what the hell to do with this price action at all. And it's really bad. Surprisingly bad. How you been finding trading anyway, man? Have you been trading much or not? That's suspicious because that should fail. Price should take the entire level out, to be fair, so get rid of that. Yeah, today and tomorrow. And then what about Monday? I think Monday goes back to normal. So it's just today and then tomorrow, I think, as well. Finally, they updated my name on the account. Flipping hell, that took ages. Right, let me log into this now. XFI. Login. Just give me 1 second to log in. Login. Password. Sign in. My profile. Yes, they've done it. Awesome. So 1 second. Send this email really quick. I might be getting this 200k account today if they reply. Right, I'm back. Okay, sorry. US holiday plus end of month and Friday. I'm preparing for anything bad or worse. Yeah, 150%. I hate that. I'm just pretty much kind of doing the same thing of just waiting and seeing what happens on the market. But yeah, man, lower highs and lower lows are forming there. I'm gonna have to take it off of a 5-minute demand zone at this rate. It's fine, it's 20 pips anyway. I'll work with that. Yeah, looks right. So I'm gonna do a 30 pip SL on that. So like in these zones. Play these zones, give me an entry. Play them zones, give me an entry. I'm gonna wait for it to get rid of them zones and then I might go long. On gold. What about CHF? What's CHF doing? That's basically doing nothing at the moment. Euro. What the hell is this, man? There's zero structure there. Already went in on XAU or XAG? Or XA, yeah, gold. Sorry, yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Brain fart. When did you get in? This is horrendous price action, man. So bad. I need yen to be my saving grace. Come on, yen. Help a brother out. Come on, yen. Help a brother out. Same zone as before, 50. Yeah. Back there again. That 50 level. Yeah.
Japan PM Takachi says we aim to reflect inflation appropriately in the full year 2026 budget.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Takachi says necessary budget items should be included in the initial budget.
Damn it, why are they speaking right now, man? Like, why? Japanese unemployment rate, CPI this evening. Okay. Okay.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone consumer confidence, prior -14.2, and Italian industrial sales, prior -0.7%.
I don't know why I'm not getting the notification for the bloody emails, man. So annoying. Price tag that supply zone is smart. Do another break to the low side. God damn it. Come on, gold. You kidding me? Yeah, D said that he put a note in his Telegram or something like that saying that he's not able to stream because of technical difficulties or something. So I think obviously we've known he's had all these issues, hasn't he, when he has the random freezing happening on stream and stuff. So I think he's decided to not steam for a while, but I don't know how long he's gonna be like that for until he gets that sorted. I don't know if it's a short term or a long term thing. Hopefully short term. Now when it price to come, tag the M5s. Did it tag? Yeah, M5 was here. Yeah, was it? Yeah. When it price to come, tag that M5 zone, but it didn't do it. Nope, nope, nope. So now I'll wait for price to come, tag this M5 zone. Yeah, that's what it was. Just quickly get into that account. Gold. Let's do it in 5 minutes. Got buy limited at 41.58. A sell is pretty much the same, 25 pips.
Eastern time we get Eurozone consumer confidence for prior -14 spot 2. Then we get Italian industrial sales month on month prior -0.7%.
TP is 64.87. There. So I just need that much to make the 0.5% and I'm done. I just want to make my 0.5% and go. We've only got 0.2% risk on there as well, so there's hardly any damage on the account. I'm just trying to aim for that 0.5% and then just call it a day. Plus I'm only taking it on the 50k. So yeah, that's pretty much it. CS, I don't know anything else that's going on with him, but hopefully it won't be long. Probably just a brief internet problem, and then you'll be good to go. So problem on GJ, so lower high, low, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, internal higher high, tagged into, took that zone out, but there's a supply zone there. Could have come into the supply zone, could have come into the supply zone just to take out this high and then continue down. So my suspicion is record levels right now. Record levels of suspicion. Gold looks like it's going again. Peace out, brother. Appreciate you coming by. Oh dear.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with Eurozone consumer confidence.
Price, I deleted my limit because I thought price isn't gonna come, and then it's still coming down. Oh dear. I don't like the look of the eye, they're not clean. I'm done, man. I literally can't see anything. It's so choppy and compressed, yeah? If it takes one zone, it comes to another zone, and straight away it just messes everything up anyway. The price is so crappy right now. I'm talking about Forex mainly. It's so bad on Forex.
Eurozone consumer confidence 97.97.
Gold is dropping down now. I think it's gonna tag that that zone and push from there. If that zone fails, it's gonna come to there and continue. Yeah. See you, Mangi. I'll see you tomorrow. It's annoying that price drop after I cancel my limit. Think it's gonna keep going, and then it tags it and then it keeps going. That's hilarious. Boy, it's so close to the SL that it might have actually hit it, to be fair. So yeah. Right, boys, I think I'll cut her there. I'll come back for New York and see what's going on then. This guy is proper changing his mind. 1 second he's saying one thing, next second he's saying a different thing. Time on at 10 o'clock, 10:15. You should push up from here. Right, guys, I think I'm done. I'm gonna wait for New York session, see if anything happens then. Let me just drop all the links in. Make sure you hit like, please. I appreciate it. Thank you. Copy, paste that and that and that. I'm going to keep an eye on gold anyway because I really want to get into a long position on gold. I'm just trying to get triggered at around 90. I think it's 550, I think it is, on the tag of that zone basically. Just in case price takes these lows out and tags this zone, I'm trying to get in here. And the SL will probably be around 30 pips, 25-30 pips. So I'm going to see what price does, if it gives me what I want. If it does, awesome. Just want to target about 2R. So just them highs. I might even, so that's 20. I might even do like 25. And then just do like 2.1 or something like that. Even that looks good. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, right guys, take it easy. See you guys later. If I take a trade, I'll post it in Discord, etc, etc. If I trade in you, I'll post it in Discord. Thanks guys, peace out, bye.